Вперед!
Чего нет? Не, ничего.
Hold it, drop! Damn it, Wrecker. I almost shot you in the face. You lost your tail.
Ease up, Pac. Where the hell you been?
After the handoff went pear-shaped, I came straight here. They were Russians, right? Spec ops, 1 second they're there, the next they're not.
Take deep breaths, son. You got the intel?
Yeah, got it.
Nice play. Shit. It's already daylight. We gotta get to the extraction point. You got a 20 on Irish?
I thought he was with you.
Breaking radio silence. Tombstone 3, Tombstone Actual. What's your 20?
Tombstone Actual. Inbound from the north. Coming in hot. Requesting cover fire on my retreat.
Big copy, Irish. We got you. Rucker, gear up and get ready.
You got my ass?
Take position by the window. We got... Cover Irish.
Hold the fire.
Here he is! Irish, watch out!
Fuck off of me.
Wrecker! Hostiles in the windows across!
They got me pinned.
More incoming, see him?
Watch out! I'm firing!
Two more on the left! Drop him! Irish! Get up here! Anything still moving? Got them all! Clear!
Give me a hand.
You okay, Irish?
Fuck, man. I guess it's safe. I'm staying so safe.
Tombstone, on the move. Fortress, this is Tombstone Actual. We got the package. We stirred up a hornet's nest. Moving towards extraction.
Roger that, Tombstone. Helo's inbound. Get your squad in position. Out.
Spotted us.
Take them out together. Tag them and give the signal.
You signal and we'll shoot the target.
Careful! Through the side room!
Low, in the atrium. Having spotted us.
Good fucking shot, Wrecker.
You signal and we'll shoot the target.
Careful! They're in the side room! Good one! Clear! Give me a sit rep!
Fudged up, but I'm up.
No way around. Get down there. Everyone okay? All right, make it sing. Fire in the hole, everybody! Come on, open it up! One, let's go.
Tombstone Actual, this is Firebird 2-1. We're inbound. What's your ETA, over?
Good to hear you, Hawkins. We're making progress.
Get your guys up on that roof. Don't keep me waiting.
Rec, scan the area. That's the building.
It's more like half a building.
Come on, Rec. Binos are very helpful. Yeah, the 2 smokestacks. Straight across. You see it, Wrecker? You should see the extraction point to the southwest.
Be advised, I'm reading multiple heat signatures ahead.
Any chance of assistance?
I'll cover your advance. Just send me targets. Okay, standing by for targets. Ready to engage. Give me a target. Ready for targets. Ready to engage.
Extraction, here we go.
Okay, give us your targets. Ready to engage.
In position.
Hey, you got more heat signatures on the ridge ahead. Okay, standing by for targets. Ready to engage. Give me a target. Ready for targets. Okay, give us your targets. Ready for targets. We got him on the run. Push on. Copy that. Engaging. Tombstone actual. Gotta pull away to stay clear of their RPGs. Stick to the plan, Dunn. Push onto the roof.
Roger that. We'll be there.
Ready to engage. Affirmative!
Copy that. Engaging. Tombstone actual. Gotta pull away to stay clear of their RPGs. Stick to the plan, Dunn. Push onto the roof.
Roger that. We'll be there.
Truck! Watch out! Don't let them close!
In position. Watch out! I'm firing! Another truck! We're all alive, guys. That's all that counts.
Clear.
Corners, guys.
This shit is the best way up.
It's the fastest. No time to explore any options.
Wait till you see the terrace view.
Oh, I expect to be blown away.
Shut up. Eyes peeled.
Tombstone actual, radar's lighting up. We got hostile air.
Motherfucker's gonna tear this place down.
How far is it? I think this is the top floor.
Tombstone actual, where the hell are you? It's backing up. Done. Get everyone in the chopper, now! Get in here now! The building's unstable! Shit, come on! Stand back! I've lost control! Shit! I'm hit! Going down! I'm
Holy shit.
You okay, man? Pack, get inside the Hawkins and the rest of the crew.
No one survived that.
Get done away from the wreckage.
I can't. He's...
Barry, try. I'm over here digging up Wrecker.
My leg! Oh, man. Oh, man.
His leg looks like pop sausage.
You're gonna be fine, Dunn. You're gonna be okay, man. We're gonna get you out.
Pack the fuel.
Yeah, I know.
Stop. Wrecker, cover me. Get out now. Get out.
Please, I'll help you.
No,
Please.
No, you have to get out of here. It's not safe. Fucking civilians.
Wrecker, I need your knife. Before Staff Sergeant. Gotta cut the leg. Gotta do it. Wrecker, come here. A wolf stuck in a trap will chew off its own leg to survive. Come on. The bone's powder, just flesh and uniform keep him in here. Do it, cut it now.
We gotta go.
Is he dead?
He's not dead, he's just passed out. You're the combat lifesaver, man. You should know this, Pat.
It was like a 3-hour course. Incoming! Down!
Let's go! Chopper's coming back around, let's go!
Hey, these Azerbaijani's are all right, huh? Come on, in. You're gonna be okay, Dunn. You're gonna be okay. We're gonna get you out. You're gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay.
It's the boss, man. You're damn right it's gonna be okay. Let's go! Wrecker, take the wheel!
Fortress, this is Tombstone. Our evac is gone. Need another way out. Do you copy?
Tombstone, Fortress is tracking you. Secondary extraction en route. Follow the road 3 clicks west.
Copy, Fortress, en route. Where's the chopper?
No, I'm looking. Shit, my leg. My wife's gonna kill me. Dunn, breathe slowly. You'll be fine. We'll get you home. You're gonna be fine. Anything you tell me about Admiral Shane? Russians. None of us. Here it comes!
Not fucking likely.
Just hang in there. Speed up, Red. Dun's going into shock.
Pat, what's happening? Where the fuck is it? Where'd it go? You don't see it?
Didn't see where the heck he went.
There, I see it. Get ready.
Speed up. Oh, that was too close.
Step on it, damn it.
It's lining up.
Oh, fuck no! Burn those motherfuckers! Son of a bitch! Fuck!
Yep.
Tombstone retrieved the intel.
And?
In the event of a Chinese military coup, the Russians would be loyal to Admiral Chang.
That confirms the report from our asset in China.
So Staff Sergeant Dunn was killed for something we already knew?
There's rioting in the streets of Shanghai, Captain, and the Russians are getting involved. We needed to know for sure. That we had to lock down Suez is delicate enough. One wrong move, we're talking war. You have your orders, Captain.
Aye, aye. Steaming towards the east coast of China.
Martial fucking law for 1 billion people. They're pissed off about the assassination of Jin Jay. Who was he, sir? He was on deck for the presidency. Progressive. He pushed the government for transparency, fairness, freedom of speech. Admiral Chang convinced more than a few of them that we killed Mr. J. Now, if your operation blows up, Chang will have all the excuse he needs to give all that anger, all that hate, a real target. It'll be war. Now, your job is to pull VIPs out of the GU Tower safe and sound. Extraction will be coordinated by one spook agent, Laszlo W. Kovic. Unless absolutely necessary, do not fire your weapons. Wrecker. Staff Sergeant Dunn felt you were the guy to lead the team, give orders if anything happened to him. Now, his loss was tragic, to say the least. Don't make me regret honoring his last decision. Do the right thing. Fly under the radar. No room for mistakes, boys.
Hope nothing happens to the car.